Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your phone is unlocked and supports the local LTE/5G bands. This prevents wasted purchases. Once done, compare 3 paths: local prepaid SIM for low cost, eSIM for instant setup, or your carrier's roaming plan for convenience. Make sure to back up contacts and enable airplane mode before swapping or installing an eSIM so registrations complete cleanly. Then turn on Wi-Fi to authenticate accounts and download carrier profiles. Next, install the eSIM via QR or physically insert the local SIM and follow on screen prompts. If required, enter the carrier APN settings manually to enable mobile data. Once active, set data priority so your local SIM or eSIM is primary and international roaming remains off unless you intentionally toggle it. Test with a quick download or map load to confirm speed and tethering. Also enable Wi-Fi calling and SMS over IP if available, because that preserves reliability without consuming mobile data. To finish, monitor consumption using your phone's data counter or the carrier app and set alerts at 50% and 90% to avoid surprises. Make sure to use a VPN for secure browsing and disable automatic backups and large app updates so you don't hit caps. If connectivity fails, step through simple fixes. Recheck the APN and data profile, restart the device, toggle airplane mode, or reinsert the SIM. If those don't work, contact the local carrier with your IMEI and profile details for support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.